Hello everyone, Joseph Gallegos here with Great for Green. Today we're going to talk about the difference between water efficiency and water utilization. And this is great for designers, especially landscape designers or even mechanical designers, but also the architect. The difference between water efficiency is that most sprinklers, or all sprinklers and all irrigation systems, are measured at how well they distribute water on the landscape. So if you have a sprinkler head, it's how efficient is it spreading water in that circle or that half circle, and how much is it landing on the landscape, and how much is being blown off by the winds or hitting the sidewalks and running off into the streets. So that's what's called water efficiency. How efficient is it being distributed? Water utilization is something that we like to emphasize, and something that one of our science collaborators came up with. And that means how well is the water being utilized by the plant uptake. And evaporation transpiration is a combination of evaporation and transpiration from the plants. How much is being evaporated and how much is being transpired by the plant. With utilization, we actually try to eliminate evaporation, water loss to evaporation, or being blown off or runoff, all those aspects, all those natural waters that just are not being utilized by the plant are eliminated. So for every gallon that is put into the landscape, there's a gallon that's taken up by the plants. Now that's utilization. We try to hit close to 90 to 95 water utilization with Aquifer Pipe, being buried 12 inches below the ground. It doesn't have runoff issues. There's no wind blow off. There's no evaporation. So the water that is actually being put into the landscape is being pulled up by the plants through the moisture plume that's created within the pipe, and it's being utilized efficiently. So if you want to get the most out of water, think about the Aquifer Pipe and how it's utilized within the landscape for utilization, water utilization. Hope that helps out. Always think green, and we're going to green up this world.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a gray water system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions, and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.